How to do motorcycle maintenance tips and tricks. The service manual calls for cleaning the battery every 3,000 miles. It is very important to keep your battery clean. You can have small voltage leakage from terminal to terminal if the top of your battery is dirty. This is November 2024, and I'm still using my original battery on my 2020 Interceptor 650. And here's a tip from an old pro who has owned many motorcycles and currently has a Royal Enfield Himalaya. This is just a piece of tie wrap or zip tie. That way uh, they could purchase that from you. Okay, now go ahead and stick it in.
Seeing it, that pressure, that is kind of like puts pressure against it.
That's brilliant. I love it. That's cool. I don't know if that's focused though. That's good enough. Gets the idea across. If you enjoyed this, I sure hope you give me a like, share with others, and subscribing would be great. Thank you.